I'm Gary Howard with Ranger Boat Company, and I'd like to go through the new Z175 with you. It's a new model we came out with this year. It's a 17.5 foot boat with a 91-inch beam. Rates for a 115 horsepower. We've made some improvements to the boat. The bow panel area will take up to a 9-inch graph. We've added a cup holder to the bow and a tool holder. As you go on back in the boat, the center line box is for Plano box storage. Port rod locker holds up to 7.5 foot. Added tool holders to the front deck and a step to get on and off the front deck, and a larger cooler. Got another storage box, starboard side, tackle, life jacket storage. Go to the cockpit of the boat. We've added a fish measuring board, stoves in the front deck. We put a new console in the boat. Dash is capable of using a 9-inch wide unit. New push button switches, all new look. Steering wheel's new, windshield's new. We've got stope pouches or trays, holding areas on each side of the cockpit, cup holders each side of the cockpit. Running rod rack with buckle down strap. Got a live well here for tournament fishing with divider, aerated. Dry storage, port and starboard. Rear storage with all the pumps, batteries, battery charger standard. This is a very capable boat for most tournament waters. It's got the live well for this tournament system. The boat rates for a 115. It has a 115 Evinrude motor on it.